Is your development runtime software crashing because of the libgccs DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. While preparing the manual steps for libgccs, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the libgccs, the standard GCC Runtime Shared library. It manages unmanaged low-level arithmetic and stack logic, facilitating the fundamental execution manifest for the application data link. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like libgccs DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the libgccs file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Using an incorrect or unverified version of libgccs DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing libgccs and maintaining system stability. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved libgccs error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.